In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use the British Airways American Express credit card. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, you can find the British Airways American Express credit card on our website. Simply go to www.americanexpress.com using a web browser on your computer or phone. Once you're on the website, select Cards from the menu at the top of the screen. Then, click on View Personal Cards on the left-hand side. Wait for the page to load, and you'll be able to see all the available cards. At first, you'll see the featured cards, but if you scroll down, you will find a list of all the cards. As you can see, you can use the navigation bar to move to the side and locate both the British Airways American Express credit card and the British Airways American Express Premium Plus credit card. Click on the one you're interested in. Once selected, you'll be shown the details of each card. They all have different features and benefits. To get more information, simply click Learn More at the bottom of the page. You'll then be redirected to the card's information page, where you'll find a summary of all the features and bonuses. If you're satisfied with the card and want to apply for it, click on Check Your Eligibility. You'll need to answer some questions about yourself, and if your answers meet the criteria, you'll be approved for your very own British Airways American Express credit card. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to use the British Airways American Express credit card. If you found this video useful, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.